Hey guys, and welcome to the second section of this course, MongoDB Data Structures. In this section, we will learn the architectural concepts of the MongoDB database, collections, and documents. In the first video of this section, we will begin by understanding what is NoSQL. First, let's understand what is a NoSQL database. NoSQL database stands for not only SQL or not SQL. Traditional RDBMS uses the SQL language to store and retrieve data. A NoSQL database system, on the other hand, comprises of a wide range of database technologies that can work with different types of data, that is structured, semi-structured, unstructured, as well as polymorphic. NoSQL is particularly useful in enterprise applications that need to access and analyze a massive set of data that is made available on multiple virtual servers which are remote-based in the cloud. It overcomes the performance, scalability, data modeling, as well as the distribution limitations of the RDBMS. It also keeps up with complex problems of modern-day data, which include the continuously changing nature of data which is stored at different geolocations and different time zones that needs to be up and running all the time while ensuring data integrity, as well as keeping up with data in cloud-centered distributed applications. Now that you have understood what is a NoSQL database, let's dive a little more deeper into its types. There are basically four NoSQL database types: key-value pair-based, column-based, document-oriented, and graph-based. Let's take a deeper look into each of these types. The first type that we will cover is the key-value pair-based database. This is one of the most basic types of NoSQL databases, where data is stored in key-value pairs. It is capable of handling a lot of data as well as heavy load. Key-value pair storage databases store the data as a hash table where every key is unique, and the value of the key can be either a JSON or a blob, which is binary large objects. It can be a string, etc. For example, key can be a customer ID and the value can be 1. Redis is an example of key-value store databases. The next NoSQL database type is the column-based NoSQL database. In this type of NoSQL database, data is stored together as columns instead of rows. The data is readily available in a column, and hence this type of database delivers high performance on aggregation queries like sum, count, average, minimum, etc. All the cells corresponding to a column are stored as a continuous disk entry, thus making searches and access of data faster. Column-based NoSQL databases are widely used to manage data warehouses, business intelligence, CRM, and many other applications. Cassandra is an example of a column-based database. The next database type on the list is the document-oriented database type. Now, a document-oriented NoSQL database stores and retrieves data as a key-value pair and stores the value part as a document. The document is then stored in JSON or XML formats. The value is understood by the database and can be queried easily. This makes it easier for the database to query information which is found in every document. The document-oriented database provides a better hierarchy organization of the data. The document type DB is mostly used for CMS systems, blogging platforms, real-time analytics, e-commerce applications, etc. Amazon SimpleDB, CouchDB, MongoDB are popular examples of the same. Finally, we will take a look at the graph-based NoSQL database. A graph-type database stores entities as well as the relationship among those entities. Now, the entity is stored as a node, and the relationship between the nodes is stored as an edge. Every node and edge has a unique identifier. A graph database is multi-relational in nature. Traversing relationships is faster as compared to a relational database, as they are already captured into the DB and there is no need to calculate them. This is mostly used for social networks, logistics, spatial data, and the lot. Neo4j is a popular example. Now that you're familiarized with the different types of NoSQL database, let's understand why NoSQL can be the perfect solution for your business enterprise. In a NoSQL database, schema definition is not required. This is contrary to the relational databases like Oracle, MySQL, where we need to define table structures. RDBMS also makes it difficult to migrate to an updated schema in case we need to insert a column to a table which already has millions of entries. NoSQL databases solve this problem because the need of a schema definition is eliminated. Integrated caching in NoSQL allows frequently demanded data to be stored in the cache to make queries faster. NoSQL databases have the sharding feature, which is set as default. They automatically spread the data across servers and fetch the data in the fastest time possible from the server which is free, all the while maintaining the integrity of data. Auto data replication is also supported in NoSQL databases by default. This simply means that if one database server goes down, the data is restored using its copy created on another server in the network.